In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice number in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple update that can help you keep your records consistent, especially if you're correcting a duplicate number, aligning your numbering after a migration, or matching a specific sequence for your business. Changing the invoice number won't affect the amounts or the customer details, but it will affect how you track and search for invoices, so accuracy matters. First, head to the Sales section, then choose Invoices. You'll find Sales on the left-hand menu. This is the central hub where all your invoices live, along with their statuses and balances. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the area that lists your invoices. The option names are usually very similar. Next, open the invoice you want to edit. You can scroll to find it, use the search bar to look up the invoice number or customer, or apply filters such as date or status to narrow the list. Open the invoice by clicking on it. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the customer name, date, amount, and current invoice number. Now click Edit. This puts the invoice into an editable state, so you can update the details. You'll be on the full invoice form, where fields like customer, terms, date, and product or service lines appear. We're not changing any of those today. We're only focusing on the invoice number. Find the field labeled Invoice No, and type the new invoice number exactly as you want it to appear. Consider your numbering sequence here. Many businesses use a pattern like year-month sequence or a simple incremental number. QuickBooks will accept duplicates, but that can create confusion when searching or reconciling, so it's best to choose a unique number that fits your sequence. If you don't see the invoice number field, your company may have settings that control custom transaction numbers. In that case, check with your admin or accountant so the field is available going forward. When you're done, click Save. You'll typically see options like Save, Save and Close, or Save and Send. Any of these will save the new invoice number. Choose the one that fits your workflow. After saving, you'll be returned to the invoice list or the invoice view, and you can verify the change right away. Remember, QuickBooks keeps an audit trail, so edits like this are tracked for transparency. That's it. A quick update that keeps your invoicing tidy and searchable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.